So this is the location. It's Elan Valley Waterworks. It's like a model village of the waterworks. Shows you the dams. I've been to this spot before. It does get quite busy in the summer. It's not far from our last location with the waterfall. Gorgeous. And we're going to make the grid on this piece here. So welcome, how are you all doing? Hope you're all fine. I'm on a bit of a slope here and it's very windy. So we're at Cannon Hill Park and we're at the I'll have to hold this strong because it's going to get over this wind. It's so windy. It's really warm, but when the wind blows it's quite cold. So we're at the Model Valley. I think it's called Elan Model Valley. I've been here before, made a grid before up on the bank. So I'm just been guided to this kind of grid plate here. I don't know if it's some electrical point, but that's where I'm making the grid for the area, and I'm making a fairy grid as well. So got my Karen K Oracle of the Fairies deck, so we'll do a card. My tripod's unstable, just give me a minute. Okay, I'm a bit worried about it falling over, to be honest, but we're on a bit of a slant. But anyway, I've just got my coat at the bottom, so hopefully I'll catch it in time if it does get a gust of wind. So we'll just see what card we've got for today. Oh, Journey. I do love the artwork on here, this deck. And it says it's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you're ready. When the time comes, pack your passport now. So, looks like some of us might be going on a journey. So it says, it seems you may be about to embark on an exciting journey, so start packing your suitcase or backpack right now. But remember to travel light so you can easily be spontaneous, both with your physical journeys and with your journeys of your heart and being. Perhaps this is the right time to set out on an adventure of your own. You never know who you might meet. You may find yourself thinking about relocating or even moving to another country. It's worth signing up to a low-cost travel website to see what bargains appear. Or go back to basics and just stick a pin in the map and travel there. Maybe you know someone who deserves a holiday or a day out. You could take the initiative and invite them to join you on a fun-filled journey. This card may also be telling you that your passport needs to be renewed. These gusts of wind are so strong. Mother Earth is definitely purging. I've been purging heavily as well since the eclipse. The fairy of travelling pictured on this card with a speedy hair is telling you to prepare and be ready to take a leap of faith when the moment is right. It's a potentially super exciting time, full of fun, as you venture into the wonderful unknown. It's also a chance to feel truly alive and surrender to your magical destiny, banishing any preconceived plans or expectations. This message may also relate to members of your family who are about to move or go on holiday. However it manifests, the journey is imminent. It might be near or far, or even an inner journey, but the main thing is that you're ready and willing. So some of us are going on an inner journey, some of us are going literally on a physical journey. So, or you can plan one a day, even just a day out somewhere different, it recharges your batteries. So that's a nice card. It's so windy, I'm not going to put the card on the grid today because it'll just blow off. Oh. So how are you all doing? The energies I still feel like the energies are really strong since the eclipse. I think there's something going on astronomically as well. I don't know all the details. Something to do with Neptune, I think. So it's an interesting spot that Spirit sent me to. So I wonder what's underneath this grid. I bet it's electricity. That's interesting if it is electricity, because it will give it a bit more So we're going to use the this faceted glass crystal, bringing the light code from the sun. Takia Nahama'a. Oshkira mo oshki itira potiti e dakaro o poti ira oshkira diki iraka. So the different colours that go to the corresponding chakra will send the codes to that chakra. Dakura ki la hera mo oya hama ave o oshkira dakaro o itira oshkira. Namaste. So thank you for joining me today. So we had a bit of a tune up with the chakras, the colour rays from the sun, upgrades. I'm going to show you this grid now, but I'd like to thank my subscribers also while I'm here, and my new subscribers. Welcome to you all. Thank you for the likes, comments and shares, because it does help with the algorithm, and that will get more people to the channel. So thank you for joining me on this journey. Namaste, and I'll see you soon. So this is the grid. So in the centre we've got the faceted crystal glass. We've got lemon quartz, Libyan desert, picture jasper, selenite, angel aura, golden opalite, got the fairy there, Merkaba star. At the top we've got pink aura and pyrite, Azes-2 light, another Azes-2 light there, so we've got very high vibrating crystals. Citrine, and we've also got the mirrors to amplify the energy, and I've just used some leaves as well because the leaves go quite good. Plants and crystals go really good together. So this, in the centre we've got daisies, and that is the flower of Mother Earth. So this grid is to bring positive energy to this area. So I activate this grid to bring positive energy to the area.